Making money online has never been as easy as this. Just visit this website and claim your earnings. Regardless of your location or the time of the day, this new free platform will pay you up to $900 directly to your PayPal account in an easy process, which we'll be sharing in this video. So be sure to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any steps. Hello everyone and welcome back to Money Machine. If you're already enjoying this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon. Don't forget to smash the like button. If you have any suggestions, questions, or concerns, leave a comment down below. So without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. The website we're about to reveal to you will handle all the hard work to get you paid, giving you time to do what really matters to you. This will be a perfect stream of passive income for you, which you can reinvest in other ventures to help you achieve financial freedom. But just before we unveil that website, we shall first have to visit this site called Marketjunglescoutcom to create a free account. And as you can see, this site is exclusively for Amazon freelancers. That should not worry you, as we won't be doing sales on Amazon. In fact, what we're about to do does not have any relation with Amazon. So if you're new to the world making money online, this is special for you. You don't need any experience or knowledge to be able to earn through the platform we'll be sharing today. You only need to follow through the steps from the beginning to the end. Because if you miss even a single step, you won't be able to make it. So to begin with, as earlier mentioned, we'll start by visiting a site called Market.junglescout.com. While on the homepage, click on the link here to click here to create an absolutely free account. This brings up a pop-up from where you can now enter your details to create a free account. You can opt to use your Facebook or Google account to sign up for the account, but you can as well sign up by filling in your email and password. Once that is done, it will redirect you to the website where you'll have to check the box to accept the terms of use, and click the orange button to get your account up and running. With your account created, you can now get the opportunity to peruse through all these chunks of projects on this website, pay a different amount of money, and considering that we are focused on earning some money for free, all you have to do is to click on Become a Freelancer. This will open this page here. As you can see, you can apply to become a freelancer by clicking on this blue button here saying Start Freelancer Application. Ideally, once you become a freelancer, you can build your high converting optimized listing, which can be marketed on this platform to get you clients. We'll show you exactly how to do that in this video. However, you don't have to do the work once you get clients. You'll only distribute the work and someone will do it for you at a small fee. And that will only be possible through the website which we're about to reveal to you. The website is amazing, as it can accomplish the task in just a few minutes and you will get paid for that which you didn't work for. If you're already enjoying this video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also keep watching till the end to find out all the steps to get you earning on this website, which we're about to share with you in this video. So let's go ahead and click on the blue button which says Start Freelancer Application to get us started with this website. This will bring us to this form where you have to fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and your business name. However, if you don't have a business name, you can click the blue drop-down menu on the bottom right of the page. This will redirect you to the next page. Here, you'll have to enter your LinkedIn profile URL. But if you don't have a LinkedIn account, proceed to LinkedIn.com to create a free account to enable you to earn more. So, make sure to create one. You don't want to lose clients because of such a simple mistake. The process is simple and it just takes less than 3 minutes and you're done. However, if you still don't want to create a LinkedIn account, you can leave the space blank as it is optional. Click Next and you will be presented with more blank spaces to fill in your details for authentication. Once that is through, just submit the application and your freelance account will be up and running. Now, go back to the homepage of the Market.junglescout.com website and search for the word Mockup in the search field. This will open a search result page like this one where you can see several people who are selling mock-up services for varying prices, say $100, $120, and so forth. This is real money that these freelancers are making here. But significant to note is that on each service there is a review from previous clients which shows you the best freelancers. So, how can we make money using Market.junglescout.com? Well, as we've been promising, let's now reveal to you the website which you will be using along with Marketjunglescout.com to make money. You'll get to see the steps involved until you can start earning. So, stick around for that. Now, this new website is called Placeit. This is a platform that offers tons of ready-to-use templates for your designs, which you can sell on Marketjunglescoutcom. So, you'll begin by visiting the Placeit.net website. This is a cool website as you only need to upload images or logos to the site, and the site will help you place it on a t-shirt, mugs, models, or any kind of merchandise or product. Interestingly, you don't even need any design skills as the website completes everything for you. The end product will be very amazing as it will appear as though it was in real life. And as we saw, many people are willing to pay even up to $120 to get such services done. Would you believe that you can complete a $120 task in under 1 minute? And most importantly, Placeit.net will do the work for you to get you paid. Assuming that you want to create a mock-up for this t-shirt here, you'll only need to click on the t-shirt, which will lead you to the actual builder. And if your client has provided you with a logo or image, you just click here at Insert Image to upload it. Once uploaded, you can crop it and get it to the client's preferences. Once you're done, you download the final image and go over to Market.Junglescout.com and deliver the work for even $100. The lower the rate, the more clients you're likely to get. This website will give you a head start to compete against your fellow freelancers who design from scratch and don't know about this website we've shared with you. You'll be able to increase your turnaround time, and this will make clients prefer your services to get you more orders. However, you don't necessarily have to rely on Marketjunglescout.com alone. You can sell your services on Fiverr to increase your income. Fiverr is more popular and has millions of clients who can buy from it. And just to see how the mock-up service is faring on the Fiverr marketplace, just search for mock-up in the search button and you will be surprised at the thousands of freelancers who are making good money from this service. The majority are selling mock-up services for a minimum of $50. That's good money, though it takes time to land your first client and get good feedback. Once you get one and do a good job for them, you can be sure of a consistent stream of income from this service. This is something you can do over and over to generate a stream of income for yourself free of charge. No inventory, no skills, no startup capital, just your little time. So that was it for today, guys. If you like this method of making money online, let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, leave a like. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to be the first one to know whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.